Oh, I forgot to mention, I also have a knitted ball sack warmer that I have on too.
Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Left hand squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Left hand squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Left hand squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Left hand squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Left hand squat, gotta tear the ground. Loose is dead and gone. Left me head a weep alone.
Good dog, everyone. This is your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, and I want to welcome you to my channel. So today I'm heading off to a tour run with my local motovloggers, Digging the Hound and Dirty D's. And today it's a nice day. It's a little bit chilly. I want to say it's about 35 right now, which is, I don't know what it equates to in Celsius, probably like 2. Today's episode is brought to you by the number 2. Yeah, so, but one thing you know, a lot of people have been talking a lot about different things about how cold, riding when it's cold, you know, what's cold and what's not cold. Like I could say, it's about 35 right now. I'm bundled up, I got a few layers, and I'm totally fine. Fingers, you know, because these gloves are okay, but they're not, you know, they're not the best. My fingers get a little cold after a while, but everything else, totally fine. I got you know, got my IronCross Racing vest on, got my leather jacket underneath that, and then I got kind of a Columbia zip-up sweater and long sleeve shirt and a short sleeve shirt. So that's what I got going on top. Down below, I got some long johns, got some flannel line jeans, got my chaps, not chaps, chaps. So I got my chaps on, and then some combat boots. That's it. And I'm just toasty as can be. So, like I said, I've said a few things in some posts and things like that, that I'll ride in just about any, relatively any condition, minus ice on the ground, you know, because unless you got some studded tires, which if I was in those winter states, I'd be doing that. I'd be putting me some goddamn studded tires on my bike and heading out there. I saw this video that was posted not too long ago, and I had a guy in a bagger, and he's going around like an ice rink or something. He had these studded tires on, and he's just sliding around and throwing it around. That was badass. That would be me out there, just not caring. Now I do have what I consider a cold weather riding suit. That's pretty cool. It's well, it's not cool, it's actually warm. But that thing, it's like, it is way too warm. So it's got to be at least below like 40 before I even put that thing on. But it's like an oversuit you put over your stuff, you zip it up, and it's got body armor all built into it. It's kind of a Cordra or some kind of fabric material, but it's like a ski suit. I feel like I'm about to jump out of a plane with that thing on. So yeah, like I said, so if I'm doing like rides that are below 32, that's what I'd put on. But once again, my body would be fine, but then of course my hands. It's like I really need to invest in some heated gloves. Whether or not they're plug-in or battery powered, it's, you know, I gotta do something. Ugh, gotta love riding into the sun. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also have a knitted ball sack warmer that I have on too. So if you know somebody likes to knit, you know, maybe you can have them make you one. You know, they're kind of small, and they got like a little elastic at the top. You don't want to do a drawstring because you're going to end up looking like this. Oh my God, what happened? I got it too tight. You know, you ever like twist up a rubber band too much on your finger, and then you fucking can't get it off? Yeah, you guys get the idea. Yeah, you know, see, you know, they can just knit it up, and it's like a little sack thing, and you got a little, you know, a little elastic at the top. You know, you just kind of stick your junk in there. Kind of keeps your Natali's nice and warm. And I don't recommend. I do know that they have some. I think I saw them on Amazon. You know, China-based, of course. They have some electric ones, but I probably wouldn't recommend that. Then you can run into an overheating issue. God help you if you had like an electrical short, you know. Okay, I'm awake now. Yeah, so just a little tidbit of information. So I'm getting kind of close to my destination, so I'm going to go and wrap this up real quick. I'll be bringing you guys more footage of the toy run in another video. So this is Bly with IronCross Racing. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification as I release a new video at least once a week. You guys all have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Peace.